At Dematic, safety is paramount. It goes ahead of anything else within the business, ranging from the CEO down to the factory workers. Our number one hazard is actually forklifts. So having that clear line guiding you through that warehouse or throughout the factory is paramount. Also knowing the areas that you can and can't go into because of moving parts of a machine is really important. The thing with paint is it was expensive to actually get it coated once a year. We also found that within the first week they'd chip the paint. It's very hard to replicate it again. And if we wanted to move a line, we couldn't move it without having to scrape off paint and then repaint it again. We engaged a local consultant that came in and he actually saw our lines were painted, saw the damage on them and recommended Mighty Line to us. I asked him if he knew a distributor and he actually put us onto Cotewell. We actually got sent a couple of test samples. I stuck them on the ground and left them there for about probably a good 6 months. I mean, heavy trolleys, full of steel. They've had a good workout, never budged, never came up. It's like their colours are bright, they're vibrant. It's also easy to keep clean. So we find that just a bit of degrees over the top and it comes up almost brand new again. So the team at Cotewell, they're fantastic. They're fantastic. I'd recommend them, just not only on the product, but also their service, their customer service is fantastic. Product's great, it's bright, it's durable, it's robust. Can't ask any more.